Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking. Welcome to Rose's Cabin Crew series. Now sit back, relax and enjoy the flight, I mean the video.
It's Rosé and welcome back to my channel and welcome sa ating first episode ng Cabin Crew series. So some of you might not know, but I was a cabin crew of AIRASIA and I decided to make this series to help those aspiring cabin crews. I know this is not the perfect year for you to achieve your dreams, but don't lose hope because this pandemic will be over and you just have to stay positive. And you know what? I suggest you to make this year as your year of preparation. I-research mo na lahat ng mga requirements ng specific airline na gusto mong applyan. For example, my English examinations lang required, then study and practice. So that when time comes na everything goes back to normal, you're ready to grab those opportunities na. You're ready to ace those interviews confidently with the heart. Diba? So, ayun. If kailangan nyo ng advice or may mga questions kayo about cabin crew, don't be shy to comment down below, or you can also message me on my Instagram and even on my TikTok account. I will read it all and I will try to compile all those questions maybe sa next episode natin. But for now, ang first episode natin is i-share ko sa inyo on how I do my AIRASIA look. And as promised, I will announce the winner of my first giveaway at the end of the video. So before tayo mag-start, make sure to subscribe to my channel and you may also follow me on my Instagram account and on my TikTok account for more updates. So let's begin. First, I'm using MAC Makeup Setting Spray. This will help our makeup to stay longer. For the foundation, I'm using Makeup Forever Ultra HD Foundation in shade Marble. So here, I'm just using my finger to distribute the product evenly on my face, including my neck. Then, blend natin using the sponge. I super love this product kasi it's lightweight and it stays longer even after working for 8 hours. Sobrang ganda pa rin niya sa skin ko. For concealer, I'm using the same brand, Makeup Forever Full Cover Concealer in shade Ivory. As you can see, yung main concern ko talaga sa face ko is yung mga dark areas, which is my eye bags and then yung sa may bandang cheeks ko. So yun yung madalas na nilalagyan ko ng concealer. By the way, I'm just using the same sponge na ginamit ko kanina sa foundation. I-blend lang natin mabuti yung concealer. Next, I'm using RIMMEL London Strong Lasting Eye Base. What I like about this product is it contains moisturizing beauty serum ingredients. Aside, it helps my eye makeup to stay longer. For the brows, I'm using K Palette Lasting 3-Way Eyebrow Pencil. I personally prefer using pencil kasi it's much more easier for me and faster din, lalo na kapag nagmamadali ako and wala na ako masyadong time kasi malilate na ako. Pagdating sa brows ko during flight, mas gusto ko yung medyo mukhang natural compare sa sobrang defined. For the eyeshadow, I'm using Nude Color Palette in Toasted. So first, I'm using this shade. Lagay lang natin siya all over my eyelids. Sobrang love ko tong palette na to kasi aside sa affordable siya, sobrang pigmented pa and perfect yung size for travel. Next is gagamitin natin yung darkest shade sa palette. Blend natin siya in circular motion sa outer corner ng eyelid natin. This is probably one of the most challenging when it comes to makeup for me kasi nung una sobrang hirap mag-blend and hindi ako sanay. Pero nanonood kasi ako ng mga makeup tutorials sa YouTube and lagi din ako nagpa-practice kaya nasanay na din ako. Next, yung lightest shade naman sa palette na to. I-apply ko lang siya as highlight sa brow bone area. Next, I'm using K-Palette Real Lasting Eyeliner in black. I think this is one of the easiest way on how to apply eyeliner, wherein you start from the outer corner of your eye, make a triangle, and then connect it closely to your upper lash line. For false eyelashes, I'm using Miche Bloomin in Glamorous Impact. For the glue, I'm using the limited edition of D-Up Eyelash Fixer. Miche Bloomin is one of the best brand when it comes to false eyelashes dito sa Japan. And lagi din tong nire-recommend ni Pony sa mga makeup video niya. When it comes to applying false eyelashes, I prefer using just my hands instead of using tweezer. So ito yung close-up ng eyelashes. Makikita nyo sobrang ganda and yung quality close to human hair na kasi sobrang lambot. Next, curl lang natin yung eyelash natin kasama yung false eyelashes. For mascara, I'm using RIMMEL London Magical Curl Lock. And nakalimutan ko maglagay kanina ng eyeshadow sa lower lash line. I'm using the same shade na ginamit ko pang base. Next, maglagay din tayo ng mascara sa lower lash natin. For contour, I'm using MAC Mineralize Skinfinish Natural in medium deep. I love contouring my nose kasi lalo siya nagmumukhang pointed. And perfect siya kapag nagsiselfie ako. Nilalagyan ko din ng contour yung jaw area ko kasi hindi siya ganun ka-defined. And last, sa cheeks, kasama din siya sa kinokontour ko. For blush, I'm using MAC Sheer Tone Shimmer Blush in Peachtwist. I just put a little amount of blush because I don't want to go overboard. For highlighter, I'm using MAC Mineralize Skinfinish Highlighter in Lightscapade. I put highlighter on the bridge of my nose and above my cheekbones. For lipstick, I'm using MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lipstick in Feel So Grand shade. This is the only shade na ginagamit ko to work kasi perfect siya sa color ng uniform din namin. And for the last step of our makeup, I'm going to use MAC Setting Spray again to make sure our makeup will stay longer. So I'm just going to remove these hair velcro pads and ayusin ko lang yung hair ko. So this is the final look. If you want to know how I curl my hair, meron akong ginawang video. Ilagay ko na lang yung link sa description box below para pwede nyo rin panoorin mamaya. Before I announce the winner of my first giveaway, I would like to thank you all guys for supporting me and subscribing to my channel. Rest assured na every video I made for this channel, I put 100% effort onto it. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So, ang mechanics ng giveaway na to is first, you have to subscribe to my channel. Second, you have to comment to any of my videos. And last, you have to follow me on my Instagram and TikTok account. So, some of you did comment on my YouTube videos and follow me on my Instagram but didn't follow me on my TikTok account. So, I'm sorry. And ilan lang din yung nag-comply dun sa requirements. So, minanual ko na lang and I just randomly pick. Excited na ba kayo? Drum roll, please! And the winner of our first giveaway is Shelo Marie Albert Aquino. Congratulations! You won a 10,000 worth of skincare products from Japan. Please message me as soon as na makita mo tong video na to. And pag-usapan natin kung paano ko may papadala sa'yo to from Japan. Thank you sa mga sumali sa giveaway. Better luck next time. And marami pa akong i-host na giveaway, so don't lose hope. Again, thank you so much. So, dito ko na-end yung video natin. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoy it. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And you may also follow me on my Instagram and TikTok account. Bye! I'll see you on my next video.